What's good, June Squad? Another video, another day here in Puerto Rico. We got Toñito Sea Roach TV.
What's going on?
Guys, it's going down again. Yeah, this is the third video of the series. We had to have a little intermission, but we back. Right now we're in Aguadilla. We're about to venture all this coast, man. It's gonna be crazy. And Toñito, you tell me what we getting into today.
Yes. We just got to Playa Rompeo, Las in Aguadilla, and I'm gonna take Jun to a couple of spots. We got el Muelle de Azúcar, tenemos el Canto a la Piedra, tenemos Punta Borinquen, Peña Blanca, y Crash Boat para visitar. So.
Oh yes. Today's video, you know that it is sponsored by you know who? Sponsored by STRAPINNO's, people. And yeah, you see them. I couldn't go another day and see Toñito struggling with those straps. We had to get them straightened out. We got him brand new tandem trailer of STRAPINNO straps. Yes.
And now it's so easy.
If you just want a pair of those straps, make sure you go to their link. It's gonna be in the description below. But we're about to get out of here. We're gonna unstrap. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Check it out, we're launching off the beach. As you can see, beautiful water, guys. You see how nice this water is? Right off the beach. Come on, man. All right, we are in the water, people. It's about to go down. It's about to go down. This water is so beautiful, so clear, as you can see. But this coast is supposed to be amazing, guys. So this is going to be an adventure, and I don't know what I'm getting myself into. Toñito is the one that's showing me everything, but I mean, you come out here and explore for yourself, and there's just so much to see. It's so beautiful, bro. Man, look at this. Yo, look at this little cave. This is so bad. beautiful. See the quarry, how it all, the water just kind of made its own little cave system. Wow. Beautiful. Nice little. The old, I don't know what this used to be. I have no clue what that is. Look at Toñito having fun. Yeah, I don't know what that's supposed to be, but it's abandoned. I think it's like an old mill or something. Probably transport something with ships and stuff like that. But yeah, so far, not even 5-10 minutes, people. We just seen all kind of amazing stuff already. This waterfall here. There's a waterfall on the side of the mountain off the ocean. Look at this. So amazing. So amazing. Look at how it rushes down, man. Ooh. You see where we're at. You see where we're at. It's just beauty. Freaking beauty. The ramp is right there too. We haven't even gone far yet. Let's go. Ooh, these things are bad, boy. Look at the cave system in there. Look at that structure, bro. I wonder if they trust that thing fully. Look at this. Oh, wow. Wow. Awesome cave right there. That is so bad. Look at this, man. Somebody's house. They got this little beach themselves. Like a little condo, bro. But people build their houses on top of these cave systems, and they're not supposed to. There's like condos up there, and they're not supposed to be anything on top of it. See, like this condo up here, they built on top of the quarry, on top of the whole cave system, and they're not supposed to do that. But you know, this is the issues that people are having. They allowed this to happen, and now it's getting out of control. Man, but it's freaking beautiful. The cave is so awesome. So awesome. Loving it. Loving it. No! Look at this cave. Look at that cave, people. Ooh. There's another one over here on the side that I seen yesterday. Yeah, there they go. There's an old shipwreck. And there's a cave right there. And that's the one I seen from Crash Boat. There's Crash Boat right there. I seen that one yesterday. The waves are a little high over here, so can't really get too close. Wow. That is awesome. That is really awesome. Yo, so those are the caves that I just showed you guys. Here's Crash Boat right here. This is where we were at yesterday. We saw the sunset and everything. The thing is that it wasn't as blue as it was yesterday. Today, because the sun is out, it's super blue. Super blue. You can't get too close because they have no wake there. Just the jet skis. I mean, no jet skis in there. There's a swim zone. That's why I jumped off of yesterday. You guys saw it. Second video. I leaped right off. We are at Crash Boat Beach. Look at this beautiful view. The Puerto Rico flag. Let's see if I can get as close as possible. It is. So beautiful, people. So beautiful. We're gonna keep moving. Look at those waves crashing. Boom, right against the rocks. Oh, okay. Got people in the water diving. So you got dive flags. But look at that, my peoples. That is so awesome. They're up there. It's Friday. They're up there. Oh, today is Cinco de Mayo. When I recorded this, they're up there partying. Even though Cinco de Mayo is a Mexican, you know, festival or whatever you call it, holiday, everybody in the world celebrates it. Puerto Ricans, if there's a time to party or cook out, it's on. Look at this. You just seen a big wave just crash through here, so I gotta watch my back. Wow, it's amazing. Look at the wave. It comes the wave. Oh, 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 yo. All right, June Squad, end of the video, guys. Today's day was a great day. It was cut short, but it was still a great day. Rain starting to come in, so it kept us from doing a lot more things that we wanted to, and throwing the drone up. That was another big thing that I was a little upset about, but we actually do got some drone footage. But the rain's coming over the mountains right now, so I'm trying to make this quick. Guys, don't forget, video sponsored by STRAPINNO. Make sure you go cop their straps, guys. Make it easier for yourself at the boat ramp. I can't say this enough. It's literally just pull, attach, and lock it down. That's all it is. And I mean, you can't get no better peace of mind than knowing that your skis are strapped firmly onto your trailer. So with that, guys, big thank you to Toñito, C-Rose TV. Thank you. My guy took me out all over the place and literally took me to areas that I've never been to before, and I've hit a lot of places already out here. Yeah. I mean, we sat there, it was like, damn, where haven't I been? But we know almost on every side of the island. Yeah, I've been all over the coast, but we had to cut it short because of the weather, like I said. But still, it was a great day. Pancho, I appreciate you like you not believe, man. It's my brother here, bro. You guys need to come check him out. He don't rent jet skis, so let's just put that, let's make that clear. He does not rent jet skis. All right, he basically, he does his thing just like I do. You know, he's not a tour guide or anything, but, but there's plenty of rental places you can look up on Google. Yeah, everywhere. Jesus Christ, there was rentals all over this place. There's jet skis running all over the place, man. So yeah, you won't have a hard time finding some type of rental out here. Pero yeah, again, thank you to the sponsor, STRAPINNO. Thank you, STRAPINNO. STRAPINNO, you need to sponsor this guy. You need to sponsor this guy. He's big out here in Puerto Rico.